Now on our JPY for the day, so we would want to be seeing where our JPY to our CAD will actually be moving for today. As you can see, we were on a bullish move when our JPY index was actually dropping. We've actually predicted this move that our JPY index will be dropping, and any pair relating we are trading to our JPY should actually be going bullish. Now we can see that our JPY has actually dropped, and we've actually hit this our support level here, this our key area here, and guess what, the day has opened bullish and we are actually now going bullish. I believe we'll still be going bullish. We still have about 70 to 74 pips bullish move more to actually grab. At least we should actually be going, we should be able to hit this our 83. We are currently trading at 82.584. We should be able to hit around 83.76. That is, we actually have some times to go bullish before you actually see a drop again on our JPY. But before that, as we are going bullish on our JPY, our CAD, which is relating to our JPY, will definitely be falling. So we are actually going to be seeing a fall on our CAD. As you can see, we are on a 4-hour time frame. We should be seeing a fall on our CAD. See our CAD at least hit this our 10-period moving average. As you can see, our 10-period moving average, we should actually still be falling. We should actually be seeing a little fall and a little fall. So at least our CAD hits this our 10-period moving average before we can actually aim of taking our buy position. Before you can actually aim of taking a buy, and we can see this is another key area here where our price is actually reversing. As you can see, when our price fell, we saw a pullback here. This is another area here we can highlight as a key area. Another area we can highlight as a key area here, and see our price is actually reacting to that key area here. So we should be seeing a drop for the day on our CAD to our JPY before you can probably see a continued bullish move or a fall. But for the day today, we actually start open bearish, and we should be looking to close bearish on our CAD to our JPY. So on our 1-hour time frame, as you can see, on our 1-hour time frame, our price is now below our 10-period moving average, which means it's an indication that our price is now falling, and we actually continue to go short. We actually to short this our position on our CADJPY. So that is the analysis for the day. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful.